What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Traxxas Things. So today, this episode's going to be about things that I hate about my Kia, but hate is such a strong word, so I'm not going to use the word hate. I'm just going to say things that, how should I put it? Things that I wish my Kia had versus things that I hate. Now, what I'm going to do is basically talk about things that my Kia doesn't have that I wish it did have versus hate. Because if I hated it, then I wouldn't have bought it. So obviously, even though it doesn't have the things that I hate or dislike, I still ended up purchasing the vehicle. So basically, I'm gonna just go down a list real quick of things that I wish the Kia had, or basically like, what in the hell? You know, what in the hell, Kia? Why didn't you put this on your limited edition sunset yellow Kia? And with that being said, let's just get right into it. But keep in mind, again, this is just for my particular Stinger GT only. Some of the things I'm going to mention, I'm sure other Kias have, like the GT2. I do know the GT2 has a sunroof. So basically, just by saying that, let's just get right into it. There are no memory seats. I wish my Kia had that. This is a limited edition, so why wouldn't you have memory seats on this Kia? What in the hell, Kia? Rear side mirrors don't have the blind spot monitoring system. So to me, that's a standard feature that should be in all vehicles. I mean, I know the Kia Forte that we just test drove, I believe that had blind side monitoring. And you mean my Kia Stinger GT doesn't have blindside monitoring? Really? Wow. What in the hell? I don't have cooled seats. I have heated seats, but I don't have cool seats. What in the hell, Kia? I got a limited edition Kia Stinger GT and I don't have cooled seats. What in the hell? Sunroof. I have a sunset yellow Stinger GT and I don't have a sunroof. I think this car would look excellent with the black panoramic roof up top, and I don't have that. That would just set this color off with that black up top and then the yellow car. That would just make this car even that more limited and special. But I don't have a sunroof. What in the hell, Kia? Like, this is a limited edition, but I'm limited on features versus just the color being limited, but I'm limited on features as well. Spoiler alert. Why doesn't this car have a black spoiler on it? I mean, what in the hell, Kia? Does it cost that much more just to put a spoiler on this? A black spoiler on the back of this car would really set it off. I mean, it can't cost that much more, and it shouldn't bring up the price of the car, really. I wouldn't think. I'm just saying. What in the hell, Kia? Turbo gauge. You have to have, now I'm not sure if the GT1 has it, I think it does, but the GT1 and the GT2 has a turbo gauge. So I have a GT with twin turbos and I can't see what the boost is.
God damn. Only in America.
How's that possible, Kia? Why would you have a limited Kia and I can't see the turbo gauge? I can't see the boost? What in the hell? Remote start. This one's a biggie. I have a limited edition Kia and I don't have remote start. I have this nice key fob here that looks like a detonator, but I can't remote start my car from in the house. I can't even remote start it with an app. It's only, from what I hear, it's just in Canada. Really? What in the hell, Kia? The Canadians can get remote start, but the Americans can't? What did our election piss you guys off that bad that you just said, you know what, we're going to really screw with the Americans. We're going to send the remote start and the remote start app up in Canada, you know, but screw those Americans. We'll give them the Stinger, but we're not going to give them the remote start to it. Really? I can't remote start my car? I mean, that really sucks. That one really pisses me off. You know, that really grinds my gears. But again, I still like the car, so I bought it. But damn, Kia, can a brother get remote start? Can we? Really? I don't want to have to put a remote start aftermarket part on my car. I should have all this stuff from the factory. Why in the hell didn't you put lights where the cup holders are so I can see where my cup holders are at night? So, okay, I hope you're listening for future reference. You know, if you ever come out with a limited edition car, don't make it limited in features. Put everything on it, and I mean, I guess the price is going to be what it's going to be, but don't limit the features, and especially safety features. That really pissed me off. I mean, that really grinds my gears. Don't limit safety features. Safety features are important. Blind spot monitoring system is important, especially in a car like this when you want to, you know, switch lanes and swerve and whatever you want to do. You need the blind spot monitoring system to help protect you. So, that being said, this video's done. I'm gonna go get something to eat, and wow, that's a lot. That's a lot I had to get off my chest. Y'all be easy.